Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to iron school uniform. First, gather your supplies: an ironing board, a clean iron, and a spray bottle with water. Always check the uniform's care label for the recommended temperature setting to avoid damage. Make sure your iron's water reservoir is filled if you plan to use steam. Lay the uniform flat on the board, smoothing out any major creases before you begin. When you start ironing, tackle smaller areas first, such as collars, cuffs, and plackets. Use long, consistent strokes, moving the iron smoothly across the fabric. Avoid circular motions, which can stretch the material. If you encounter a particularly stubborn wrinkle, a quick spray of water or a burst of steam from your iron can help. Remember to iron dark-colored items inside out to prevent them from developing a shiny appearance. For shirts, begin with the collar, then the cuffs, and finally the main body. When ironing pleated skirts, carefully press each pleat from the waistband down to the hem, ensuring they stay crisp. For trousers, start by ironing the pockets, then the waistband, and work your way down the legs to the hems. If your uniform has delicate fabrics or printed designs, use a pressing cloth to protect them from direct heat. Once you've finished ironing, allow the uniform to cool completely before folding or hanging. This helps to set the fabric and prevent new wrinkles from forming. Hang shirts and trousers immediately on appropriate hangers to maintain their crispness. For skirts, you can either fold them neatly or hang them, depending on their style. Store your freshly ironed uniforms in a clean, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to keep them looking their best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.